Alpha Mind Power online live classes by Sri Mata Vijayalakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Today's psychic energy class was good today. The meditation was very powerful. Now you can speak, you can switch on your audio one by one and your video also. And please tell your name and the place from where you are attending, and then let me know how you felt.
This is Lakshmi from Chennai.
Okay.
So it was a good experience for me.
Wonderful. Okay.
Ma'am, any particular day to start with that Pratyangara Devi Yantra with lemon, ma'am? Any particular day to start with?
Nothing like that. You can start any time. Whenever you get the yantra, you can start off. No, just pray to her.
Okay.
And you can open that yantra with the mantra which I had given and then use it. No need to worry about any day. Any day you can start. No problem.
Okay. How do we dispose that lemons, ma'am? Then that from the yantra?
Dustbin. Throw it in the dustbin. That's the best way we can do it.
Dustbin.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can
Thank
wrap
you,
it in a paper or a small cover and throw it off. That way it is better.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, madam. Hello,
Yes.
madam. This is Kuber Raj. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
Kuber Raj is from Goa. Yeah, ma'am. This is my, second class, ma'am. I think
Okay.
last 2 weeks back, I've attended one of the program. The
Chakra
Pitru
meditation.
Dosha thing.
Pitru dosha. Okay.
So, yeah, Pitru Dosha, ma'am. It was outstanding, I'll tell you. For almost, 10 years, I was just suffering. Every day, everyday dreams. My mother used to come every day. But after the 7 days, it was awesome. I could able to now, peacefully.
Okay.
I'm in peace, like so.
Okay.
Thought of taking this class also. It was
Good.
awesome, ma'am. Yeah.
Good. Very good.
Looking
Thank
forward.
you so much for sharing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Very
ma'am.
nice.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thanks.
much.
Bye.
I
Yes.
am Mala from Malaysia.
Yes, Mala.
I think it was a fantastic, great, and amazing journey. I didn't feel the 3 hours. It was actually like 20 minutes only with you. It was so beautiful. It was really great. And I think this is my 4th session with you. And every
Okay.
session gives me more confidence, contentment, peace, and happiness within myself.
Wonderful.
I've been with you now for the last 4 years, and so many things have materialized.
Very good. Very good.
It is a
I'm
golden
so-
opportunity of a lifetime to be with you.
Thank you so much.
Guruji.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for being with us. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Okay.
Good evening, Guruji.
Yes. Good evening.
Guruji, I am Lavanya from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Yes, Lavanya.
Guruji, it was a very wonderful experience, and actually this is my second class with you.
Okay.
I have attended basic level, but so far I was like on and off on meditation, but now I have taken an oath, like I should again restart my meditation.
True.
And one more doubt I got, Guruji, while on this class, like if we find with the pendulum that a particular cupboard is causing some negativity, and suppose we have kept so many things in that cupboard, so how to find it? Like it's not possible to check on each and everything.
No,
So
no.
how?
You can check each rack. Like you stand in front of the cupboard, you think of the first rack and hold the pendulum here only. You don't have to take the pendulum to the rack, but think of that first rack and hold the pendulum and ask for the energy. Say, show the energy level. It will show you whether it's positive or negative. Then ask for the second rack. So one by one, first you determine the rack. Then whatever items are there, that particular rack, at least you can take out.
Okay, Guruji. And
All
thanks
right.
a lot.
All the best. All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste.
Just have a small regarding the pictures that suggested not to have the people pictures of people who have been not there at home, like
Passed away. Yes.
See, actually, I had a son who was 23 years old. There are some good memories of his. Can I have the pictures of them with my daughter?
Yeah, those you can have. See, that you keep them in an album or something.
No, I have actually pasted them in my door and wherever it's visible for me, so to recollect all those good memories.
See, that is true, but then for him, for that soul, it may not be the best thing.
Oh,
That is why it is suggested that we don't keep their pictures where we can, we keep seeing them again and again. So
okay.
keep them in an album or maybe in a folder in your or something. So whenever you want, you can look at them. That will be better.
Thank you, Guruji.
Okay, right. All the best.
Namaste.
Namaste. Yes.
Guruji.
Yes. How are you?
Fine, thank you. And after my email to you regarding you said there's a psychic energy. So it's given me a lot of feelings that, to do the meditation thing. So I'm going to do it and see how
Very
it's
good.
going on.
Excellent.
So
Okay.
it's really good feeling.
Okay.
And so much. And also one thing I want to check, Guruji, I did the chakra meditation,
Okay.
right? And now that here also we have the chakra cleansing meditation, right? So if I'm doing this, then do I still have to do the chakra meditation also?
No, this is more powerful. See, you can keep that as once in a way as an alternative, just for variety. Sometimes the same meditation you may feel a little monotonous after a month or 2 months.
Right.
So then one day you can do the chakra meditation if you want. So that way you can interchange, but stick to the psychic energy at least thrice a week later on. Now you do it every day for at least 1 week. 1 or 2 weeks also you do it every day. But after that, if you want to alternate with some other meditations of ours, it's good. It's all right. But at least 3 days in a week you do psychic energy. That will help you a lot.
Right.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Right.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram. Yes.
Yeah, I'm Mala Shivra.
Okay.
Yeah, I learned alpha meditation many years ago from you in Delhi.
Okay.
I'm from Delhi.
Okay. Delhi. Okay. Right.
Yeah, I think when you said psychic meditation, is it the chakra meditation that is psychic meditation? The last one?
Which one? Psychic meditation is what we did today. Psychic energy.
So psychic energy meditation. What did it? Was it the last one?
The last one. Yeah. That
Last
is the
one, which was
yes.
clean.
Yeah.
and-
Om
okay.
clean with Om clean.
That is
the psychic
which involve a lot of chakras.
all the 7 chakras. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that is psychic energy.
Yeah. You practice it every day for maybe 1 or 2 weeks and see how you feel. It will be very good. It's a very powerful meditation.
Thank you so much.
Okay. All the best. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Namaskar.
Yes. Namaskar. Anita from.
I just like to say that it's an extremely powerful meditation. I've done several of yours, and I find all of them very very powerful, and it's helped me all the way through. I just wanted to find out, and this particular meditation was very peaceful as well. When you came out of it, feeling feeling really good and peaceful.
Okay.
And the only question I had was how does this compare with Graha Dosha meditation and Sri Vidya? When you said do it every day, right? So Sri Vidya is obviously much longer, and Graha Dosha is it's fairly short, but there seem to be a lot of similarities. So
Similarities,
which one
yes.
would you recommend?
Yeah. Similarities will be there because we keep working on the chakras.
Correct.
That is the
So which
main-
one would you?
See, as a regular practice, psychic energy and Sri Vidya, definitely 3 days a week. 3 days Sri Vidya and 3 days psychic energy for sure. If you have done Amrita Siddhi, then once a week is sufficient. See, the Graha Dosha and of course Pitru Dosha will come on Amavasya day, so that's okay. Graha Dosha you can do once a week. Maybe in the
Okay.
you can just alternate that way.
Okay.
You don't have to do it every day. You just do it once or twice a month also, it's fine.
Okay. So one should concentrate more on the Sri Vidya and this.
Yes, these two are more important because Sri Vidya takes you to a very, very high level. Whereas the negativities come and attack you at a lower level. So this
No,
meditation,
Sri Vidya is
Sri Vidya is out of the world, but the psychic energy is required to make your Sri Vidya better.
I see. Okay.
And that takes you to a higher level, but negative energies can pull you down at a lower level. So this meditation will cleanse you there and keep you more ready for Sri Vidya. So that
All
is why I say 3 days Srividya and 3 days psychic energy, so that both are done, you know.
Okay. Okay.
Better
And
than-
just two other quick questions. I had asked about the Rudrakshi. What I was trying to ask you was, can you use a Rudrakshi as an alternate to your pendulum?
You can use once you're, you know, like very confident.
Okay.
With your pendulum, then you can use even just a Rudraksh also. Otherwise, the Rudraksh, if there is only one bead, then there is no weight.
No, I mean the mala.
The whole mala you can use, but then you should be very confident. You should have used the pendulum. Then if you use this mala, you will not have a doubt.
Okay,
Otherwise, if you start off with the mala, you will not know what it is showing and whether you're doing it properly, you know, because you can't hold it like the pendulum. So that is why after a certain stage, when you're very confident, then you can use the Rudraksh also. Anything can.
And when you do use the Rudrakshi, the chanting, do you have to use different malas or can you use the same mala for any chanting?
Same mala for all your chanting. I think that would be more wise, because there is one mala with the energy of all your chanting, and you can wear it sometimes if you want. If you're not feeling well also, you can wear it for 1 hour. That's fine.
Okay. That's all. Thank you so much. And thank you so much. I mean, I've done a lot of different meditations, but your meditations are always amazingly powerful. And
thank you so much.
You can see the results very quickly.
Yeah, very true, very true. Thank you so much. You're looking much better. I can see the difference now.
Thank you.
I'm happy to see that. Thank you so much.
Hi, Guruji. My name is Anupama. I'm sorry I have switched on the video, but I'm not sure it's coming up.
It's not coming. Okay. Okay, carry on.
I'm from Australia. I have been your student for 6 years now, ma'am.
Okay.
I finished my 3 levels, including chakra as well. Have been doing meditation since 6 years and have been able to manifest many of my goals, few of them which I never thought would have been possible.
Okay.
So it's 12 o'clock in the night, but I still feel so much energetic after the class. It's so awesome. Today's class has been very good, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Excellent.
I think the best thing is that you make us understand the two different ways. One is the spiritual way, and the other is the metaphysics or the science involved behind it. So, which helps us to have a clear thought form. So, thanks so much for that, ma'am.
Thank you so much
Have a nice
for
day.
sharing. Wonderful. Good to have you. All the best.
Thanks, ma'am.
Great. Thank you.
Guruji, namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, Usha. Absolutely. Yes,
Yeah. Actually, it's always so wonderful and amazing when we do the meditation in your presence, whether it is in the class or whether it is through online mode. I find when I do it alone, the experience is different, and when I do it in your presence, I don't know, the experience is totally different.
Thank you so much for the kind words. I guess it is that your mind gets more focused when you're in a class, maybe because of that.
I do agree, ma'am. Yeah.
And ma'am, I have one doubt here with regard to the lemon technique.
Yes.
When we remove the negative energy and we dispose of the lemon in the morning, as you said, the lemon would have got all the negativities inside. So when we touch it, will it not come back to us? Or
No, you should not touch it. You should, without touching, you should dispose it out. Some people use tongs, to put it in a paper bag or something like that. So, or from the plate, if you can just put it, hold the yantra alone and let the lemon slip into the bag. Something you'll find your own way. But in case you touch the lemon also, nothing wrong. Just go and wash your hands. That's all that is required. And the yantra does not hold negativity. So yantra may not have to be washed every time, but you can just wash it after, if you're going to use it for 3 days, then after using 1 day, just simply wash it with water, wipe it immediately and keep. And after the 3 days are over, maybe you can wash it with a little bit of liquid soap or something. And just to keep the shine on, and then wipe it nicely. Don't let them remain with water. Wipe them dry and keep. Then they will remain well. Good.
Okay, even a polythene cover is okay to insulate ourselves?
Polythene cover is okay. Yeah. That normally plastic is good. I mean, it doesn't allow the energy to come in so easily. So you can use. But after that also wash your hands.
Right. Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks a
Okay,
lot.
thank you for
No.
sharing. Wonderful, very nice.
And also, Guruji,
Hmm.
I would like to second whatever Usha has just now mentioned. We
Okay.
feel awesome in your presence, and
Thank
your
you.
voice makes us more energetic when we do the meditation.
Okay.
I have no words to thank you.
Thank you so very much. So nice of you to say
It's been
that.
6 years since I've been in touch with this alpha meditation, and I feel awesome, especially in your presence.
Thank you so much, Sudha. Very nice of you to say that. Thanks a
Very
lot.
happy about it, and it has changed my life too a lot. I had been going through a lot of problems since 2013, 14. 15, I took this alpha meditation course for the first time. It's been simply awesome from then on. And I've been able to move a lot in the positive direction.
Very
I
good.
thank you wholeheartedly for this, ma'am.
Thank you very, very much. Please continue with the meditations. I'm sure you will see very good results.
Guidance always.
Yeah. Thank you so very much. Very nice of you.
Thank
Good.
Guruji,
Yes.
I want to check one thing.
Yeah.
As for the ghost pictures which are dull, you say we can dispose it off in the river or something like that.
Yeah.
But some said we could keep it, buy a new picture. We could keep our, because we've been praying, we could keep the old picture behind the new picture. Is that correct?
I see. Personally, I don't see the reason.
Right.
See, you buy a new one because the old one is not looking all right.
Yes.
Then why do we keep it again at the back? See, it's a matter of energy. So if you're replacing it, we should replace it properly. We must remember that a picture is only a representative of the deity. It is not the deity itself. So you don't have to feel bad about replacing, because see, I have suggested this to so many people, and after doing it, they felt so happy. They were having pictures in their puja room which you could not even decipher the face, because it was there for 30 years, 40 years, so many, their generations had used it. So all good deities only, but when you have to go very close and see, otherwise you don't know whether it is Krishna, you don't know who it is, it's become very dull. So when I went to somebody's house, not one house, many people's houses, wherever I see, I tell them, why don't you get the new ones nowadays? The pictures are so beautiful. They look rich and nice to look at. So then when they change everything, they paint the puja room, everything, and they say, now puja is a real bliss. So that is how the energy changes. It's all a matter of energy only.
So we have changed it.
Yeah.
Changed, but then like some say because you've been doing puja all this while and like throwing it.
No, see, we have to rise a little above that. We have been doing puja to Shiva, not to Shiva's picture alone. It doesn't stop there. The connection goes higher. If it is Krishna, it goes there, not with the picture. So that way, there's nothing wrong if you get a new picture. You will actually see the difference in energy. That is what I feel.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Do it. Don't worry at all. Happily have nice. See, I always say we dress up so nicely. We make ourselves look so beautiful. But then the pictures of our deities should also look good and rich and nice. So
I agree with you.
At them, you feel that abundance of blessing. That should
yes.
That is right.
That's right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
How often this lemon should be kept? Like.
It depends on each one's preference. See, some people do it once a month for 3 days. Some people do it every week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I keep lemon. This is some people's practice. So every week they're doing it for 3 days. That's also very good. But there are times, when suddenly you feel everything is going wrong in the house. Many things, a lot of negative energy. Then you keep it straight on for 1 week. That way you can decide. You can have your general routine, but sometimes you can do it a little more if necessary. That way it will work very well.
And Guruji?
Yes?
Regarding these yantras, what about the yantras that are available in the temples when we go visit temples? There they sell these yantras. Have they also got to be opened or something like that?
Yes. Any yantra, when it is sold, it has the energy, but the energy is dormant. It is locked.
Okay. So
we have to open it out with the particular related mantra. Think of the related deity also. Hold it in your hand and energize it. Only then it starts giving out energy. So then only it will work, even if you keep it with you. That's why.
Oh, thank you.
Right.
Vanakkam, Guruji. Yeah.
Yes, Vanakkam.
Yeah, I am Karthikeyan from Chennai.
Yes.
Guruji, this is my third class, like after attending the basic level 1 and Sanjeevani, and this class really helped me to energize my chakras, all my chakras.
Oh, very good.
And being level 1, I could realize, like whenever I enter home or someplace, I could realize the negative energies.
Okay.
But the thing is that I'm not finding the way how to drive away those things.
Change it.
So this class really helped me to find out with the lemon and water and all. But earlier I was trying to do with the common salt, drishti kadikiradu they say.
Yes.
I didn't find, such common salt in the methods, whatever you said.
No, I didn't bring it in because see, with the common salt, again, you have to command, you have to give a proper command. See, many of these things we have been taught by our forefathers, our grandfather, grandmother, they've taught us, but they did not understand it scientifically. They took it as a matter of practice only. So even salt, when you take in your hands, if you give a proper command and then you remove it, your hands will start burning. That much negativity it can remove. So you can use salt, definitely you can. But in the class, I didn't want to tell because some people, they don't take it in the right way. So I just left. But you can use salt also. There are many more things, but in this class, we don't have time. So whatever was most important, I have told. That.
Thank you. And then that chakra really, it helped me to energize. And now I could realize whenever I feel down, how to energize myself.
Yes, psychic energy you should do continuously for 1 week at least now. And you will see the difference, your energy level, if you can get a pendulum and measure it with that index, it will always be +10.
Okay.
Yeah, before meditation, it may be less, but after the meditation, it will always be +10. So so much energy.
Okay. Yeah. And one more, Guruji, I wanted to highlight actually the earth meditation and Panchabhuta meditation. So this and all, when I do, actually it makes myself, not finding fault on others. So it gives somewhat, a kind of broad-minded and all are good. So that kind of image it's giving to me. So thanks for bringing that meditation.
Thank you so much. The reason is those meditations expand your consciousness because you're merging with the universe. You're thinking about the world. Panchabhuta pranayamam, of course, for yourself, but earth meditation and all, you are giving energy to the earth. So you become part of the universe. That kind of consciousness, it takes you to a much higher level of thinking. So that is why you will start accepting everything very calmly. You will not get agitated. Those meditations, actually, they look very simple, but they're very, very powerful. They can do a lot of internal, transformation. So please keep listening to them. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you, Guruji. Yeah.
That feedback is very valuable for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks. Okay. Right. So I think psychic energy was good today, and I hope it has given you a few insights about how to recognize negative energy. That is the most important thing with this psychic energy class, the awareness that it creates in you. You should always keep, looking at the energy around you and what kind of energy you're feeling. So if there is any negativity, you will know immediately. And at least within a day, if you are aware of it, you can sit and meditate and remove it. Simply sit and do the psychic energy meditation. Even if it is night, it doesn't matter. Sit and do the meditation. Within half an hour, your energy level will change completely and you can get rid of negative energy so easily, not only for yourself, but for your family members also. So keep that in mind. Keep practicing and do let me know how you feel. Write emails to me or write in the groups also. Anyway, I will read the messages. It will come to me. Thank you very much for being here. Wonderful with all of you. So thanks a lot and always live in positive energy. That's the most important thing. Okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you.